What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another video, and in which video we are going to share about this topic of today, and it is all about self-development and growth. As you know, this channel is all about self-development and as well documenting my forex trading journey. And for today, this session is about self-development and motivation as well. So in this video we are going to talk about, in the beginning, nothing will matter, nothing matters, everything will be mystery, and there will be no one to understand what you are trying to do. And in fact, there are some times when you find that even yourself, you are doubting what you are trying to do. Like, you are so ambitious and ready to do the needful, but there are some times where you find that you are doubting what you are going through and what you are going to do when you are planning whatever you are planning to do. In the beginning, everyone will question you, and it is on you to always support yourself, because it is you who can see what you are trying to do and what you are trying to focus on, and you have to do everything that is required for you to be able to make it or bring that thought into existence. And this comes with taking action in the first place and trying to be yourself and focusing on you, because there will be no one that will come to say that do this, as long as it is worth it. You have to take the action and the sacrifice that is needed in the first place. For me, when I was starting this journey of trading forex, it was me. I had to sit down and say that, now look, I'm going to the university. How am I going to be able to get the basic needs? Because I know that at home it was not easy to get tuition and other funds to help me get to some point and go through this journey. And it was me to plan and see how I am going to do what to get this done. From there, it was me to take action and do everything that I had to do and put my hands on, for me to be able to get something that can help me get along with this life at campus. And I had to decide and say that, let me do this. And first of all, I had to start with affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, I saw that it requires some capital, and in the beginning I had no capital, and I had to do that for some time, and I realized that this is not going to work. What can I do? And I had to get into forex. I had came across forex before that, going into affiliate marketing, and I decided to first focus on affiliate marketing. And I was searching, and along the way I had to say that, let me double down on learning forex trading. And I knew that in the beginning I would get something very quick. And remember, I had no capital, and remember, with forex you have to have capital to trade with, and again you have to be with the knowledge that is required for you to trade the forex markets. And in the beginning I was ignorant about the markets, so it was me to say that, what am I going to do? So first of all, I had to start learning, guys. I had to start watching YouTube videos. I had to go in for baby pips, and I had to do that. I had to learn from baby pips. I had to watch videos from different traders, and in the beginning it was hard for me to get what I was trying to do, or what I was trying to focus on, like maybe getting a strategy or getting the terms and what trading comes with very many different things. So for you to be profitable, you have to bring all the things together. That is risk management, trading strategy, capital, and as well time allows you to gain the experience for you to make money trading. And here comes me at this point saying that, talking to my younger self or any trader that is trying to start with this journey, it is you to show up and put the work in, because in the beginning nothing will make sense, and even to yourself things you will be doubting yourself of the things you are trying to your things you are trying to do. I cannot say that at the moment I fully believe in this, but for me, what on my stage, at the stage where I am at the moment, it is like I have seen something, like a lot of things that have happened, and what I've gone through, I cannot say that at the moment I'm giving up, because I've put in the work that is required for me to be at this point. And remember, for you to make it, you have to deserve this thing. You have to deserve the profits that you are looking for in the markets, and for you to deserve them, you have to put in the work in the beginning. And here I am to tell you that please, in the beginning nothing will make sense. I assure you that as long as you keep showing up, as long as you do the right things and you follow the process, trust in the process, things will connect. And in the previous videos I used to say that at the end of the day, dots are going to connect. To be one dot after the other, one dot after the other, and the end you connect the dots, you will find the way. And remember, it is always like that, success leaves clues. You can follow many traders out there, you can copy them, copy what they are doing, and do what, and make it for yourself. There is nothing like coming and inventing something that have never been in existence, and show that for me, like, I have done this for myself, and like trying to be egotistical, and that one can be good sometimes. But since people have done this with their knowledge and strategy, and they have tried to share the knowledge out there, that may be through YouTube, through X, through the other social media platforms, as long as you can get the knowledge that you need for you to do whatever you are doing. It can be through trading, it can be trading forex, trading crypto, futures, e-commerce, drop shipping, and any online thing. Because the moment when you are doing anything on internet, bro, when it pays, it really pays, and that is the game we are in for now. What can be as well doing YouTube videos, like doing YouTube is underrated, but I can tell you that at the moment when something clicks for you, bro, you can say that it was worth it. And that's why I come in here and do this. The moment some YouTube videos may be being vague at the moment in the beginning, but the videos will gain that 4K quality. I understand at the moment the videos may be like lacking. You can see the beginning, the confidence of talking to my camera was low, but along the way I'm developing the confidence to do these videos, sitting down and recording the video and just talking to the camera. It is also a skill, because you have to get used to this, and along the way I will gain some experience, and this experience will help me to develop many skills. And here I am to say that just to take action, do the needful, just focus on focus on taking action, and the end things will click. Remember, at the end of the tunnel there is always what? There is always light. It's not like Motivation in this session is like me talking to the camera, sharing with the experience, sharing with you the experience I've gained from my journey. It has been 2 years down, soon 3 years, and I can just say that the time we're spending, like we cannot count the years. Actually, it can be like counting the time we spend in the market. And most of the time, I'm always on the charts every day, watching the what is taking place and trying to get something from the charts, learning something, and that's how you gain the experience that is required. If you have managed to make it to this point, please subscribe. Let's grow the family, and like and share the videos, and as well comment, share your ideas down in the comment section, and see you in another video. Peace.